Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a useful word, afraid. Afraid is an A1 level adjective, which means it's one of those basic yet essential words for expressing emotions in English. When you're afraid, you're feeling fear or worry about something. Imagine you're about to take a big test, go on stage for performance, or try something new. If you feel that sense of worry or nervousness, you're feeling afraid. Let's talk about a few words that are similar to afraid. Words like scared, fearful, and anxious can all convey similar feelings. For instance, you might say, "I'm scared to walk through the haunted house," or "She feels anxious about the job interview." While they have slight differences, each of these words describes a sense of worry or nervousness. Now, let's look at some antonyms, or words with opposite meanings. Brave, confident, and fearless are good opposites of afraid. For example, you might hear, "He felt brave as he approached the stage," or "She was completely fearless when trying the new sport." These words convey a sense of courage and self-assurance instead of fear. So, how can you use afraid in your everyday life? Imagine you're talking to a friend who wants to know if you'd be willing to try something challenging. You could say, "I'd love to, but I'm a bit afraid of heights." Or perhaps you're in a conversation where you're hesitant to speak your mind. You could say, "I'm afraid I have to disagree with you on this one." Here are a few more examples of afraid in sentences. The little boy was afraid of the dark. She's afraid to tell him the truth. Or, "I'm not afraid to try new things." Each sentence shows how we often use afraid to talk about something that makes us feel nervous or hesitant. To sum up, afraid is a helpful word to express fear or worry. Remember, scared, fearful, and anxious are similar, while brave, confident, and fearless are opposites. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed learning with me, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It helps others find our show. And here's a fun challenge. Try creating your own sentence using afraid and share it in the comments. I'd love to see how you use today's word in your own unique way. Until next time, keep learning and exploring new words.